Welcome to our exciting journey into the future of 3D printing, where innovation and technology collide to bring us endless possibilities. In the last video, we saw what 3D printing is, how it works, and what materials it uses. Now I'm going to discuss some predictions about the future of 3D printing. From creating replacement organs to revolutionizing the aerospace industry, 3D printing is changing the way we live and work. Get ready to learn about the new technologies, materials, and applications that could change the future. Before I start, remember to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more 3D printing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Let's get started. The days are gone when the potential advantages of additive manufacturing were just a topic of speculation. Today, 3D printing has shown us its ability to spur a manufacturing renaissance. It can shorten the time, produce a lot, and make it easier to design and make things more efficient. In the past few years, we've seen the growth of digital infrastructure, the improvement of materials research and supply chains, and the improvement of the stability of additive manufacturing technologies. All of these things have helped to change many industries, such as healthcare, aerospace, and defense. Here are some predictions on how 3D printing is changing our future. First, the capacity to scale up from rapid prototyping to full production. The biggest benefit of 3D printing is that it can go from quick prototypes to full production. This makes every part of the product development process better and makes life cycle management work better. In the early stages of making a product, when the volume is still small, 3D printing lets us try out different ideas and features for free. This is because 3D printing can easily scale up production without the need for additional investment in new equipment. Also, it's best for a low to medium volume production, since high tooling costs and fixed costs can make it hard for new businesses to start up. It takes just the right amount of planning, engineering, and material development. The 3D parts can also be easily added to mass production methods like injection molding. This allows for more efficient production because parts are printed here instead of pulled from a warehouse. This can cut costs associated with stockpiling goods and warehousing them significantly. Studies have shown that if 3D printing is used to make replacement parts for cars, inventories could be cut by as much as 90%. Research from Gdynia Maritime University in Poland has shown that using additive manufacturing instead of traditional methods to make some parts of a ship has shown good financial returns. It demonstrated that the production time for a metal part fell from 12 weeks to less than 72 hours at a cost of $1,250 when compared to conventional manufacturing methods. Amazing, right? Second, by incorporating digital methods, the supply chain may become more robust. Recently, the world faced a severe COVID-19 pandemic, while everyone was helpless. Then there was 3D printing, which stood for humanity because it has the potential to greatly strengthen the resilience of supply chains. At the time, 3D printing was a big part of making PPE and ventilator parts because it was flexible and quick, making it easy to switch between different goods and sites quickly. Also, 3D printing lets you keep track of your inventory digitally, so you don't have to store spare parts in the real world. Companies are using 3D printing more and more when they make new products and are moving toward distributed manufacturing, which lets them make products closer to their target markets without sacrificing quality. In the future, there will be fewer big factories and more focus on smaller, digitally connected places to make things, like homes for last-mile delivery. Materials are the key to the future of digital technology. 3D printing technology is constantly evolving. One of the most significant areas of advancement is in the materials that can be used. Plastics and metals have been used in 3D printing for a long time, but now new materials are being made and used in the process. These include ceramics, glass, and even food materials. Using these new materials in 3D printing gives you the ability to create objects with unique properties and capabilities. For example, ceramic filters can be 3D printed with intricate designs and shapes that allow them to purify water more effectively than traditional filters. Glass lenses can also be 3D printed with high precision and strength, making them more resistant to scratches and other types of damage. With new materials, 3D printing has the ability to create objects with multiple functions. With ceramics and glass, it can be used to make strong, long-lasting medical implants that can also conduct electricity or send data wirelessly. And the food materials open up new possibility in the culinary arts. A chef can create intricate and unique shapes and designs for desserts and appetizers, or even create dishes that are tailored to specific dietary needs. Overall, the improvements in 3D printing materials are making it possible to make things with new properties and abilities that weren't possible before with traditional methods of making things. This is leading to new and exciting applications in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and manufacturing to food and art. Let us see what applications it has to offer. In the aerospace industry, 3D printing is allowing companies to create rocket engine parts that are not only stronger, but also more efficient and lightweight. 3D printing makes complicated shapes and internal structures with ease that would be hard or impossible to make with traditional methods of manufacturing. This can result in parts that are more aerodynamic and can withstand higher temperatures and pressures. Also, 3D printing can cut down on the amount of waste made during the manufacturing process, which can lower costs and make things more environmentally friendly. In the construction industry, 3D printing is being used to create detailed models of buildings and even entire houses that can be printed on site. This lets architects and builders make accurate drawings of their plans quickly and easily, which can save time and money. Also, 3D printing can be used to make complicated, custom-made building parts that are more energy efficient and can be tailored to specific needs. What about the medical field? 3D printing is being used to create a wide range of medical devices and implants. For example, doctors are using 3D printing to create prosthetic limbs that are more functional and comfortable for patients. Also, 3D printing is used to make custom orthotics and other medical devices to help patients with specific needs. For example, 3D printing can be used to create orthotics that are tailored to the exact shape of a patient's foot, which can help provide a better fit and more comfort. Also, 3D printing can be used to make tools for surgery and other medical devices that are more precise and accurate than those made using traditional methods. How revolutionary! Can you imagine? With 3D printing, we can create a greener future. 3D printing can make a big difference in making the future greener by cutting down on waste and energy use during the manufacturing process. With additive manufacturing, objects are made layer by layer. Subtractive manufacturing, in which large amounts of material are cut down to the proper shape and a lot of waste is produced, has been replaced by these new methods. This not only reduces the amount of waste, but also requires less energy to produce the same product. In addition to cutting down on waste, 3D printing can help cut down on carbon emissions by bringing products to customers closer to where they live. This gets rid of the need for long-distance travel, which cuts down on the amount of fuel used and the carbon emissions that come with it. This is especially important in the world we live in now, where climate change is a big problem, and reducing carbon emissions is important to protect the planet. Also, the manufacturing industry is at a crossroads right now. Digital and additive manufacturing methods are becoming more popular, which will lead to more efficient and environmentally friendly ways to make things. As a result, 3D printing is an important step towards a greener future. Additive manufacturing is a game changer for the manufacturing industry as a whole, because it makes it possible to separate the social and commercial value creation of a company from its effect on the environment. So guys, you have seen that 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about production and design. From medical applications to aerospace engineering, 3D printing can be used in many ways to make custom products on demand, get rid of the need for expensive inventory and storage, and make parts with intricate designs that would be impossible to make with traditional methods. As this technology continues to evolve, it is sure to have a major impact on the future. What do you think about it? Please let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned with us for more interesting videos about 3D printing. Thanks for watching.